Middle East tensions send shockwaves through global oil and LNG markets. Rising tensions in the Middle East are beginning to impact global energy markets. Investors, governments, and energy companies are closely monitoring the situation as geopolitical risks continue to grow. The Middle East remains one of the most critical regions for global oil and gas production. Any instability in the region can quickly influence global supply chains and energy prices. Energy markets around the world have reacted cautiously to the growing uncertainty. Traders are keeping a close eye on developments that could disrupt production or transportation routes. One of the biggest concerns revolves around the strategic Strait of Hormuz. This narrow waterway connects the Persian Gulf to global markets and is one of the busiest energy corridors in the world. A significant portion of the world's crude oil exports passes through the Strait of Hormuz every day. Because of this, even minor disruptions in the area can send shockwaves across global energy markets. Liquefied natural gas shipments are also closely tied to the stability of shipping routes in the region. Countries that depend on LNG imports are particularly sensitive to any disruption in supply. Energy analysts warn that escalating tensions could increase insurance costs for shipping companies. Higher shipping costs could eventually translate into higher fuel prices for consumers worldwide. Several major economies are now reviewing their strategic energy reserves. These reserves act as a buffer in case global supply chains face sudden disruptions. Countries that rely heavily on imported oil are also exploring alternative suppliers. Diversifying supply sources is seen as a key strategy to reduce vulnerability to regional conflicts. Energy markets tend to react quickly to geopolitical developments. Even rumors of disruptions can lead to price spikes in crude oil and natural gas markets. Global benchmark oil prices often respond immediately to developments in the Middle East. This is because traders anticipate potential supply shortages long before they actually occur. The LNG market has also become increasingly interconnected in recent years. Disruptions in one region can affect prices and availability across multiple continents. Large energy importing nations in Asia and Europe are particularly attentive to developments in the region. Many of these countries depend on Middle Eastern energy supplies to power their industries and economies. Shipping companies operating in the region are also increasing security precautions. Some vessels may change routes or delay shipments if tensions escalate further. Financial markets are closely linked to energy markets during geopolitical crises. Investors often respond quickly to rising risks by adjusting their portfolios. Analysts say the coming days and weeks will be crucial for global energy stability. If tensions ease, markets could stabilize, but further escalation may trigger sharper price movements. For now, global energy markets remain on high alert as the situation continues to unfold. Governments, companies, and consumers around the world are watching developments very closely. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.